Welcome to the future of welding technology with TATE's Semiconductor Industry Tube Orbital Welding Machine, your ultimate solution for precision, efficiency, and reliability. In the semiconductor industry, where every detail counts, welding isn't just about joining materials. It's about achieving perfection, time after time. Traditional welding methods often come with unpredictable results, inconsistent weld quality, high error rates, long production times, and frequent maintenance interruptions. But with TATE, you can say goodbye to those problems. Our orbital welding machine is engineered to deliver flawless, high-quality welds every single time. Thanks to its advanced automation, the machine removes human error from the equation, ensuring a consistently perfect weld, whether you're working with small tubes or large, complex semiconductor components. No matter the material or size, our machine adapts seamlessly to the task at hand, delivering exceptional performance with every weld. What sets us apart is the precision and control we offer. With TATE's orbital welding machine, you get a controlled, repeatable process that guarantees uniformity. The machine's advanced features allow for precise heat management, minimizing thermal damage, and ensuring the integrity of your materials. Say goodbye to overheated joints, inconsistent welds, and wasted materials. And that's not all. Our welding machine is designed for efficiency, drastically reducing downtime and cutting production cycles. The automation technology means fewer hands on the machine, fewer errors, and faster turnarounds. This leads to quicker deliveries, lower costs, and the ability to scale production effortlessly. Durability is another key benefit. TATE's orbital welding machine is built to withstand even the most demanding environments. With superior construction and cutting-edge components, it promises longevity and reliability, reducing the need for costly maintenance and ensuring your production line runs smoothly for years to come. As the industry leader, TATE is proud to have our machines trusted by semiconductor factories worldwide, helping them meet the highest standards in welding technology. We don't just provide equipment, we provide solutions that elevate your business. If you're ready to revolutionize your welding process and achieve consistent, high-quality results, don't wait any longer. Get in touch with us today and take the first step toward a future of enhanced efficiency and precision. Contact us now. Email info@oktate.com.